Here's how to combine your TikTok, Twitch, Kick, and YouTube chats together, including multiple YouTube chats. I'll show you 3 different methods, including docking into OBS or Streamlabs, and on-screen chat as well. And as I just mentioned, this does work for Streamlabs too, but I'll be showing OBS throughout this video. So we're going to begin on casterlabs.co. I'll put it in the description. And just click download for Windows and run through the installer, accepting all of the defaults. When you first open up Casterlabs, you'll be prompted to link your first account. Just choose any account that you live stream on, and then you'll be prompted to hover in the top right corner, press the unlock button, click on this drop down list, and we're going to start by just choosing stream chat. And we're now going to link all of our other accounts. So I'm going to click onto settings and click onto accounts. And as you can see, I've linked my first account when we logged into Casterlabs, but I'm now going to link YouTube, Kick, and TikTok. So of course, just click the green connect buttons and go through all those steps. And just a quick one for Kick, by the way, since I had this problem, if you've logged into Kick with Google, you'll have to press the forgotten password button and recover a password for Kick. And there we go. I've now got all 4 accounts connected. Let's click back onto dashboard. And this is going to be the first method for viewing your combined chats. Just inside Casterlabs here, it's going to combine them all together. Of course, as the warning says at the top, for both YouTube and TikTok, you can't test it until you go live, but we can test it on Twitch or Kick. So just off screen here, I'm going to type hi YouTube, and as you can see, the Twitch message has come through. Now, as you can see, we currently can't see which platform that's come from. So I'm going to disappear from the screen for a few seconds, because in the bottom right, we've got this settings cog, and I'll reappear again. And you can just toggle things on or off. So show badges, show the user's platforms. You can add in activities. I'm also going to increase the text size just a little bit. And these would probably be my default settings, but you play around with it however you want. I can now see it's come from Twitch and it's a subscriber. It's obviously just me, but that helps me work out who's typing from what platform and whether they're subbed, etc. So that is our first method for viewing the combined chat. Of course, I've got 2 more, including docking directly into OBS and putting it on your live stream. But just briefly before we get to docking, I've just launched a new private community. This is exclusively for live streamers, and the goal is to help you monetize and grow your own live streaming community. There is completely free lifetime access for the first 100 members. Absolutely no catch there. We have weekly group calls. There's a community tab where you can chat with everyone else and share learnings and frustrations and help each other out. And we're putting a ton of different video lessons into the classroom tab as well. Check it out before it's too late. Again, completely free lifetime access for the first 100 members. It's in the description. So now let's look at how we can dock Casterlabs into OBS or Streamlabs. And of course, we do that by clicking Docks on the left-hand side. And it's really simple here. We just want the stream chat. I can press the copy button. I can also click it. And into our OBS, I'm going to click on Docks and click on Custom Browser Docks. And just click in the space at the bottom. I've called mine Casterlabs Multistream Dock, and then click underneath the URL, Control V to paste and apply. And as you can see, the dock has nicely popped out, and I can just drag it and place it wherever I want and press apply and close just to get rid of the dock area. And then of course you can just resize it the way you want. And you can also once again click on the settings cog. I'm gonna have to resize it to look at all the settings. And once again, I would customize mine. And this is how I would customize the dock. And I might then shrink it down a little bit again. But of course, what if you want your viewers to see every different chat message on all the other platforms? Well, then of course, you want to put the chat directly on the screen for the viewers to see. So let's head back to Casterlabs. And this one is a widget and alert. And let's pretend I haven't made this one. So I've deleted it, and let's start again. In the bottom left corner, pressing the plus button and head to interaction and chat. And I'm going to start by clicking the pencil icon, and I'm just going to rename this, and I've called it Multistream Chat. I'll just click off it. And then once again, we just go ahead and customize. So I'll show the user's platform icon. You can see a preview at the bottom to see what it looks like. Some text shadow is often useful just to help the message stand out against whatever's on the background. And again, you just play around with this however you want it. You can even untoggle certain chats if you don't want them. And again, you can untoggle certain events as well. Anyway, let's click in the top right corner, copy link, and head back to OBS or Streamlabs, and we're going to add this as a browser source. So just click the plus button and choose browser, and then give it a name. I just called mine Casterlabs Multistream Chat, and of course just paste it into the box. This is my old one. I'll paste the new one in. And then if you've got a chat area like me, you'll just have to fiddle around with the width and the height until it fits perfectly. Make sure you check shutdown source when not visible, by the way, and press OK. And you can see it's now added it inside OBS. I can see immediately I want to increase the text size, so let's just drag the font size up, maybe a bit too big, something like that. And of course, by the way, don't forget to add it in if you're using the vertical plugin from Atom. Don't forget just to add it in the correct one. So mine's the Casterlabs Multistream chat. Add that into the correct place. You could even add it as a different browser source if you want different dimensions. And again, you would just keep double clicking the browser source and changing the width and the height and make sure it's unlocked, and you can see in this red square exactly where the chat will fit. So big thank you to Casterlabs for releasing this amazing tool. And if you still don't have a TikTok stream key, you can watch this video.